Hey there, Slingshot friends. So we get a lot of questions asking, why am I missing in such and such a way? So a couple of things we can do here to kind of assess what's going on with your shots. First thing to think about is if you're missing, but you're missing in the same spot, that's a really good thing. That means you've got a consistent release, and we can correct that. Now, if you're missing all over the place, we've got to take a few steps back. So we're going to just assume right now that you're having a problem, let's say shooting to the right or the left of the target. And this is one of the most common problems. So if you are a right-handed shooter, meaning you hold the slingshot in your right hand, and you reference the target, we'll use this reference, if we're looking at the target and we imagine a clock face, that the right side of the target is 3 o'clock. So if you're a right-handed shooter and you're shooting to the right of the target or at the 3 o'clock side of the target consistently, that's easy to fix. Likewise, if you're a left-handed shooter and you're shooting to the left of the target or the 9 o'clock side of the target, same thing. So what's happening here, I'm going to demonstrate with the right hand hold. So as we draw and release, upon release, oftentimes our hand will fall to the right. Just naturally, we're resisting against the bands. Our hand doesn't necessarily want to move this way. We're pushing, so it's going to push to the right. That's going to push the shot. So you want to do is keep a really static hand. Now that's the same thing if you're shooting to the left. With the left hand, you would want to make sure that you've got your slingshot frame anchored, static. So upon release, no dropping off to the left. And that's what we often call pushing a shot. So if you're shooting to the right or the left, depending on whether you're right or left-handed, that's one way to assess your problem. So that's just one quick pro tip for you there. If you're shooting to the right and you're right-handed, strong anchor hand. Likewise, if you're shooting to the left and you're left-handed, keep a strong anchor hand into frame holding hand. All right, that's a pro tip for you today. We'll keep them coming. Give us suggestions. Love to see you out on the range.